Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to set up scheduled transfer in Common Bank or Commonwealth Bank. In order to set up scheduled transfer in Commonwealth Bank, you just have to follow these instructions. First of all, you need to go and log into your online banking account. When you're logged into your account, then you need to go ahead and tap on the Pay button located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to go ahead and select transfer between account or pay someone. Then go ahead and select that. As you do that, you'll be able to find a contact whom you wish to go ahead and select or set as a schedule. Go ahead and select the account. And when you've done that, you need to go ahead and enter in all of these information such as amount, reference, and all that. And when you're done with this procedure, move on to the next. That is, you have to go ahead and then you have to go through the steps. So basically, what you have to do is, when you complete your transfer details, under payment, you just need to go ahead and tap on later, regular payment, and follow the prompt and click next. So when you do later, then you'll have successfully set up scheduled transfer in Common Bank automatically. Now you can go ahead and press on pay now, and it's going to be scheduled up to the later. So in this way, you can go ahead and schedule transfer in Common Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.